Hello friends, this is Om Prakash Samantray, Assistant Professor in CSC. We are discussing structured query language. In this video, we'll discuss the difference between delete, drop, and truncate. So delete is a DML statement, whereas drop and truncate, these are the DDL statements. If you want to delete the data in a table, you need to use the delete statement, delete command. And using the delete command, you can also delete a particular row in a table. You can specify a condition using the where clause to delete a particular row in a table. But using drop and truncate, you cannot specify a particular condition. That is, where clause cannot be used with the drop and truncate. Either you delete the entire table or data of the table, or you are not allowed to delete the table if you don't want to use the truncate and drop commands. So I have already opened the command line of SQL. So connect Scott and Tiger. Scott is the username, Tiger is the password here I have used. Now I already have the employee table. Yes, this is the employee table, data present in the employee table. So I will make a copy of this employee table, because if I directly delete drop this employee table, then truncate the employee table, we may not get the data back for the upcoming examples. That's why I'll try to make a copy of this and we'll manipulate the copy here. So how to create the copy? I'll create another table, create table employee copy as select asterisk from EMP. So as select asterisk from EMP. So whatever there in the employee table are copied into EMP copy. You can see if I write select asterisk from EMP copy, you will get the same thing because I have just copied the EMP into EMP copy, right? Now I will execute these delete, drop, and truncate commands on this EMP copy without disturbing the original table, right? Because the original table is will be used for other examples, right? You can also get back the table if you even if you use the drop command, but why to make all the things more complex? To make it very simple, I have created a different copy of that table, right? So employee copy, suppose I want to delete a particular row in the employee copy. Suppose I want to delete the first row having 7369 as the employee number. You can use the command delete from the table name emp copy, where emp number equals to 7369. See, if you don't write the where clause here, everything, all the data, all the rows of the employee copy will be deleted. So when you use the where clause, those rows which satisfy this condition. So in this table, only one row is there which satisfies this condition, employee number 7369. So one row is deleted here. You can check. The first row is 7369 is not there in this output. So one row is deleted here. If you use rollback, the TCL command, rollback means the undo operation. You'll get back the value. You can see here 7369 is back in your table because you have used the rollback command, right? Once you commit, then you cannot roll back that. Okay. So using the delete statement, you can delete a single row from the table, or you can delete the entire data. Delete from emp copy. All the 14 rows are deleted. You can see there is no row present in that employee copy. Now you can also get back those values using rollback command. After rollback, you will get all these values. So this is the delete statement, right? So using delete, you can delete a single row or multiple rows or the entire data from a table, and after using the rollback, you get back the data. That is about the delete statement. So you are only deleting the data here. The description of the database is still available. Even if you execute this, delete from employee copy, all the data are deleted, but you can see the structure. You can still see the structure of that employee copy table. Structure is not deleted, only data is deleted. Similarly, when you use, let's get back the values so that I can use the truncate command, right? Clear screen. Okay, I'll use truncate table name emp copy. Table truncated means you, if I execute select asterisk from emp copy, you will not get any rows. Similarly, if I execute description of that table, you will get the description. That is, only data is deleted, but the table structure is not deleted. Now execute rollback. Rollback is completed. Let us see the select asterisk from employee copy statement. Now you can see no rows are selected. That is, even if you have applied the rollback command, you cannot get back the values when you are using the truncate. Structure is not deleted, only the data are deleted, and rollback will not work in the truncate. But rollback works in delete. This is one of the differences. Similarly, in delete statement, you can use the where clause, but here you cannot use the where clause. This is another difference, right? But when you use the drop command, if I write a drop table emp copy, table is dropped. That is, you cannot get the data, even you cannot get the structure. You can see object emp copy does not exist, means the entire structure of the table is dropped or removed from the database, right? So after dropping the table, it will be there in the recycle bin. You can always get that from the recycle bin if you don't have deleted that from the recycle bin. So until and unless that is in the recycle bin, you can always get back that table, right? So these are the differences between delete, drop, and truncate. So delete is used to delete the data, either a single row or entire data of the table, but still the description or the structure of the table remains same. You can also use a rollback in case of delete. Truncate will delete the entire data from the table. Rollback will not work. You cannot use where clause also, but the structure of the table will still exist. But using the drop command, the total data as well as the entire structure of the table are removed. Rollback will not work. You use the rollback. Again, you see that rollback will not bring back your table when you use the drop command. So these are the differences between delete, drop, and truncate. It's a very useful and very frequently asked question in your interviews and in your semester exams. So please watch this video and subscribe and share with your friends so that you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.